Hello, good morning. Happy June 1st. This is the last Monday of the last week of your school year in fourth grade and of your time at Ben Franklin. Exciting, kind of sad, exciting though. This week for math, we're not doing Khan Academy or Education Galaxy. You're going to work on a summer project. And this is called Summer Picnic Plans. Oh, before we get to that, I have a joke for you. This joke comes to you from Sophia. Knock, knock. Wooden shoe. Wouldn't you like to know? Hilarious, hilarious. Thanks, Sophia, for your joke. Okay, so I'm going to go over for you what I want you to do with this project. And then this is a week-long project. If you hear knocking in the background, that we have a plumber here that's trying to fix. We have some broken pipes in the basement. Anyway, this should take you all week. If you want to knock it out all in one day, you go for it. But this is your math assignment for the week. So what I want you to do is work on this a little bit every day. And then at the end of this project, you're going to create a flip grid presentation to kind of report back what your plan was for this party, for your picnic, okay? All right, so in Google Classrooms, you will each have your own copy of this. And when you pull it up, over here it should say your name, Summer Picnic Plan Project. You do not need to share it with me. I've already shared it with you, okay? All right, summer picnic plans. You are planning a picnic for your neighborhood to enjoy this summer. Maybe. 45 people have told you they will be attending your event. First, you need to choose what foods you will provide and a cost sheet. You will give a Flipgrid presentation of your plans. So step 1, make a list of foods you will serve. You need to have 2 entrees, which is another word for main dishes, 2 sides, 2 desserts, 2 drinks, and chips. Extras are optional. Fill in this table below with what you'll buy. So you can see I already did my example for you. I'm going to buy hot dogs and buns as my entree. So other entrees might be, maybe you're going to have cheeseburgers, maybe you want pizza, maybe you want corn dogs, maybe you want chicken nuggets, maybe you want, I don't know, whatever else you might have for an entree. My side is going to be macaroni salad. My dessert is going to be pretzel salad. Have you ever had pretzel salad? Oh my goodness, it's amazing. If you haven't, put it on your summer bucket list to either make. It's kind of annoying to make. It takes some time, but my grandma used to make it for me all the time, and so now I make it for every family function we go to. It is amazing. Give it a try. Anyway, back to our math. Drinks, what kind of drinks are you going to serve? And chips, what kind of chips? You see I put here salt and vinegar. That's my favorite. And then I did extras of gummy bears. You don't have to do extras. That's optional. So type in what you're going to you're going to serve at this picnic, okay? Step 2, look at the circular. The circular is, I don't have any lying around. The circular is those things you get in the mail. That is like the advertisement for a store. So grocery stores have them. Target has them. Rite Aid has them. All of those things. So look at the online circular for Giant Eagle, Walmart, and Aldi. And I've given you those links right here. Decide where you will shop. You can only go to one store. So you can't go and buy the hot dogs at Aldi and then go buy the macaroni salad at Giant Eagle. I have to buy everything at Aldi or Giant Eagle or Walmart if that's where you decide to go. That means you can't get some items at Walmart and others at Giant Eagle. So you're going to have to decide I personally decide where I'm going to shop based on who has the better sales, who has the better price. So obviously you want to spend the least amount of money as you can on this picnic while it's still having it be a nice picnic. So let's say I choose Walmart. I'm going to go to Walmart and I'm going to click on that link. It's going to pull up Walmart. Let me go back here to this. And I'm going to look up my item I'm going to do is hot dogs. So use the website to shop. Fill in this table with all the items you need for the picnic. So, okay, well, here I'm going to type Walmart because that's going to be what I want to use. Okay. Fill in. So don't forget to buy paper plates, plastic utensils, and napkins, cups if you aren't buying cans of pop. Calculate the subtitle. You may use a calculator. If you don't have one at home, try Googling the word calculator. All right, so I've got Walmart pulled up. I'm going to type in search my store. Let's see. It doesn't matter what store you pick from, but this is the Summit Park Drive is the Bethel Park Walmart. So I'm going to type in hot dogs. Let's see what their price is on hot dogs. Oh, look, I've got hot dog buns and Bar S Franks. I personally like Nathan's hot dogs. I like, in Ohio, we have hot dogs that are called Smith's hot dogs, but they don't sell them down here, but they're really good. Anyway, so let's say I want to save money and I'm going to get I'm going to go back to my tab here. I'm actually going to add hot dog buns because I see that right there too. And let's see, if I'm having 45 people, here's where the math comes in, friends. If I'm having 45 people, there's 8 in a bag. You think each person's going to only eat one? Okay, let's plan for that. Each person gets 1 hot dog. So 45 divided by 8. Do you know? Well, 40 divided by 8 would be 5. But that only serves 40 people. I need to serve at least 45 people. So I'm going to have to go with 6 packages. 6 packages of hot dog buns. So I'm going to go back to my file and I'm going to type in 6. Well, that's hot dogs. I'm going to go hot dog buns. 6. Price per package, what did it say? 88 cents. So 0 and 88 hundredths. Remember that from our decimals unit? And then I'd have to do the math. I'd have to do 6 times 88, and I would write whatever that is over here, whatever my total is, my subtotal is over here. Okay, in numbers. Hot dogs I want to buy, they come in packs of 8 too, so I should buy 6 of those. They were what, 99 cents each? 98 cents. Ooh, 0 and 98 hundredths. I would multiply, so let's say I want to go here. I'm going to say calculator. Let's see. So Google has this nifty calculator right here. So I'm going to type in, let's see, what was it? 0 and 88 hundredths times 6. $5.28 for my hot dog buns. So let me go back to, I've got so many tabs open. I know you're laughing at me. What did I just say that was? $5.28. So here, instead of all this mumbo jumbo I wrote, I'm going to write 5.5 and 28 hundredths. You don't have to add the, you don't have to put the dollar sign in until the very end. You should put the dollar sign in. Okay, so that's what you're going to do. Let's see, 6 times 98. If you want to not use a calculator, you can. This would be where your multiplication skills would come in, but you don't have to. You can use a calculator. $5.88. So 5 and 88 hundredths. Okay, so you can go ahead and fill in the rest of this for whatever. So I would have to find macaroni salad. Now, hopefully, I'm sure Walmart sells macaroni salad in the tub, and I don't have to make it from scratch because I have enough going on with planning this party that I don't want to have to make stuff. But I guess if you really wanted to, you could order like the macaroni, the mayonnaise, the whatever else is in macaroni salad. Oh, look here, $2.36 for a 2-pound tub. I don't know how many people that would feed. 2-pound tub. Or here's $4.68 for a 4-pound tub. 4 pounds, each person is not going to eat a pound. Maybe each person would eat a 1/4 of a pound. So you have to do the math on that and how many tubs you're going to buy. I'm not just going to buy 1 tub. That will not feed 45 people. So you need to go in and do the math on this. Cool, there's that part. What is your total cost for this event? So you're going to add everything up that's in this column, in your subtotal column, and you're going to give me that. Then you're going to go to Flipgrid and you're going to do your Flipgrid and you're going to say, hey, I chose to go to Walmart and I bought hot dogs and we bought hot dogs and salt and vinegar chips and macaroni salad and I threw in some gummy bears because who doesn't like gummy bears? Or maybe you want a popsicle. That's a good summer picnic idea. Maybe you want watermelon. Ooh, that's a good idea too. Anyway. And then you're going to say this was the total. This is where I chose to shop and this is my total price for my party. And that's the entire project, friends. So have fun. Good luck. I'd throw in an extra challenge to see if you can throw this party for 45 people for under $150. You don't have to do that, but if you want an extra challenge, try to do it as cheaply as you possibly can. $150 because drinks get expensive, chips get expensive. Remember, you can't buy 1 bag of chips if you're feeding 45 people. So figure out, what do you think a whole bag of chips would probably go for, I don't know, 6 or 8 people? Maybe 6 people? I love chips, especially if they're Doritos. I should have put that as my bag of chips. Maybe that'll be my second bag of chips. Okay, so hopefully this makes sense. I really want you to have fun, but I want you to also complete the project. This project, you need to do it. It's not optional.